Hey, it's Jennifer here with Jennifer Tries. I'm back with my second video. I would like to apologize for taking so long to return to this brand new channel that I did one video on. I did try to attempt to create another one, but it just had some camera issues, which seems to be the, continual situation here. But I'm actually really excited to do this video. I have been waiting to do this one. And initially when I was going to plan to do this one, I was going to do it in conjunction with another subscription box, but that one hasn't come yet. That one should be getting here maybe in a couple weeks. But I wanted to do the FabFitFun fall box. I'm really excited about this. So this will be a two-parter video. So the FabFitFun box I have actually done in the past, and I've really enjoyed them. You get 5 pieces, full-sized, for $49.99. And if you're just a regular member like I am, I think it's monthly, you get to choose 3 items that you'd like to select. If you're an annual member, you get to choose a little bit more. What I do love about FabFitFun, like this right here, you can tell, if you don't already have this, but this is a City of Hope, so it looks like we're doing a, some money or proceeds are going towards City of Hope, which I'll get some more information about that. But I really like, every box you get is curated really beautifully, the outside as well as the inside, and it's usually done by a designer that they've commissioned. And I've already torn this box open because I was really excited and I just couldn't wait any longer. So it doesn't look as pretty as when it comes, but what I love about this packaging and the way they do it is they not only provide you with the items that you've selected, but they give you a couple little fun things. So they've given you this postcard, which is ready for more exciting events of the season. RSVP and receive $15 off your first box. And this is something that I can actually share, or I get a coupon, or like if you're a member, you get like oh my god, my words, a link that you can share with friends and family. So I would love to share that with you. It's not an affiliate or anything like that. Nobody knows who I am, so I don't have affiliates, but they just send it with everybody. And then this one is a coupon that expires through October. Usually the subscription is $49.99, but with this coupon you get $34.99, which is great. So the value in these boxes are about $200, which is pretty awesome. They also gave this HelloFresh meal kit, which I'm really excited because I am in this mind of like, I really need to get my life. I need to be eating better, I need to be healthier, I need to be working out more, doing better with my body and my skin and my health, my beauty, and just life in general. So having this HelloFresh coupon code for $80 is going to be really great because then I can go ahead and log in and find some healthy options. They don't really have anything for one person because it's just me, but the nice thing about having it for 2 people is I can split it in half and then I get more food, so I can have my dinner for one person and then the next day I can have leftovers for lunch. Just like a little like prep kit. And the other thing that I really like is their magazine. So they do, they talk about the artist who did the box. They go over some of the items that you can get in here. Some of these, like this one and this one, were ones that you could choose from, and I don't have enough friends to warrant a really beautiful cheese platter, and I already have a lunch bag that I find works for me. I am a little disappointed though because either I didn't notice it, or it was just one of those things that was an either or and I didn't get to choose. I would have loved to have gotten the scarf, and I didn't get that. And I don't know if that's because I chose something over that one. So I'm a little bit bummed. Oh, I know why. It's because I chose something different, which, whatever, it's fine. But so these are some options that you could have gotten in the box. The box is the artist down here. And then they just go in here and they talk about different charities, which I love that. I love boxes and companies that provide awareness for charities and who donate proceeds and give you the option of participating as well. I love that. So this is some information about Dollar for Hope in here. And I just got an email, sorry. And then they have some information about top YouTubers, and then more information about beauty. So this has information about the products. And then if you did get the scarf, which I didn't, that was my fault, different ways to wear the scarf. You know, here's the thing. I got the scarf a couple years ago, and it was this really cute plaid. I don't remember the ModCloth. It was ModCloth. And I was really excited about getting it, and I loved that scarf, but everybody had that scarf. So it was, I felt a little silly because I would be walking down the street and I'd see like one girl pass, one woman pass, all with the same scarf. And so I just was like, I feel like this has become crazy. So maybe it's kind of a benefit that I didn't get a scarf. So anyways, this is really great. You know, the cover person is Meghan Trainor. It has some information with Meghan Trainor. So I really like they do like a full-fledged actual magazine, which is really cool. And they, you know, interview people who have joined FabFitFun and everything. So to get into my messy box, usually it's got a cute little FabFitFun sticker, but I tore into it like my dog tears into a box. Or he used to, he passed away. So the big item that I selected was a yoga mat, and it's a travel yoga mat, and it's from Anthropologie. And what I'll do is I'll go through these items, and then down below I'll list out the pricing of what they retail for. But the reason I chose this one, I think, instead of the scarf was I've been wanting to get a yoga mat because I've been doing floor exercises from like videos with Tracy Anderson and other things, and I've got hardwood floors, and then all I'm using is like a throw blanket, which I slide everywhere. So what I wanted was a yoga mat that I could put on the ground so that I wouldn't be sliding everywhere. And I can take it to places that I'm never ever gonna do, but I can. So this is what it looks like. It's actually really big, and it smells, but it's long. It's very cute. I love Anthropologie. It's got this purple block here. It's really neat. I really like that. I'm actually really quite content with that item. The next item is this thing. This is a hair towel. It's a little bit of a bonnet for your after shower, or even, you know, if you're not one to shower, or if you shower every day, but you're not one to like wash your hair every day, this would be like a nice little shower cap you can wear in the shower. So you don't get your hair wet. This I actually quite like. It is heat and frizz-free dry, which is very cool. So it sounds like it's probably made for when you get out of the shower, but multifunctional. I really like this. I think this is very cool. The next thing is this Wander Beauty, which I have seen ads for on Facebook and Instagram. And I'm not super, I don't really know how I feel about them, but I've read about them, and I think they're actually probably a really great company. So I'm really excited about these. These are Baggage Claim Gold eye masks. So I've had different kinds of eye masks, which I really like. You can't really see inside, but they look like that, and then they just go right under here. So I have some from a different company, which I really like. So I'm excited to try these ones as well. The next thing is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair from Aveda. I love Aveda products. My hair, I don't know if you can tell, I mean, I have curl in it, but it's just really dry just from going blonde. So I am really excited to have this. So regardless of me straightening my hair out, giving it a blowout, it just becomes very frizzy, just because it's been bleached and damaged. So this, I'm really excited. Plus, Aveda products always smell so good. Yeah, it smells very earthy and amazing. I would say everything I've gotten in here has been very beauty product related, which that was, I think, my selections because I prefer beauty products, which is, I'm totally fine. This is a brand I've never heard of. It is Human and Kind Skincare with a Conscience. It's a vegan and cruelty-free body souffle. and it's made with naturally derived products. So it's this. Lightly whipped in the ultimate in kindness human and plus Kind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed and leaves your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. My skin is always really, really dry. Not so much in the summer, but now we're rolling into fall and winter. It's just going to become really yucky. So I'm thrilled to have a body cream like this. I can keep it by my bed, or it smells, let's get a better smell. Yeah, it tastes great too. Yeah, it smells really nice. It is very light and it is very whipped, and it actually feels, it smells like grass. It smells like laying out in the summer with like a freshly mowed lawn, which I absolutely love that smell. Maybe like a little bit like cucumber. I guess that might be supposed to be a cucumber. Okay, we'll go with that. Maybe that's a cucumber. I really like this. This is, so far, after just a first impression on my hand, I really like it. This is definitely going to be something that I'm actually going to put it on this one as well, because this is nice. And so the other thing that I'm really excited about, because I did a already sneak peek, are these detox pads. They're complexion perfecting pads. So my skin, I think that'll change once my diet changes a little bit and I'm, drinking a little bit more water. But I have very red skin and I have very oily but also dry skin. So these I'm really excited about. They're supposed to improve your skin complexion. You don't rinse off, avoid the upper and lower eyelids, and tingling sensation may occur, and that's normal. I also have really sensitive skin, but these I think should be fine. I can't see any of the ingredients. They're all things that I've heard of before, which is kind of cool. The one thing it isn't is cruelty-free. It doesn't say it. It might be, but I think it should say it on there, which I'm trying to get more into using cruelty-free products. So, or Nevada isn't either, which surprises me. Maybe it is and I just don't know. But it is, okay, well, anyways. But I'm excited to try these. I just, contradicted myself. And then here we have exfoliating sugar scrubs, and these are for the bath, I believe. It's hard to read with this one, but you take a single cube with you in the shower or the bath and gently massage over your wet skin, concentrating on the rough patches. Recommended to use twice a week or whenever you need some extra pampering, for body only. So I guess you just take one of the little balls. There's only, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 8 of them in here. So I imagine one maybe lasts a little bit longer, but it would be interesting to try these. Yeesh. And then the last product is the Better Skin Co. Better Skin Lava Magic. It's a cleanser, scrub, and mask. So that is cool as well. So let's see what this one looks like on the inside. Oh, it comes with a little, that thing. So it looks like that. It smells, actually smells, you know what? This is so funny. It doesn't smell bad. It actually is very nice. It reminds me of something I used as a teenager, which I really like. Anyways, so the reason I did these 2 boxes, so the next box is coming is causebox. Which I have never tried before, but I have tried FabFitFun. So what I wanted to do initially was compare the 2. One that I've tried before and one that I haven't. They're both pretty much exactly the same. Their boxes are curated with beautiful art. But the difference between FabFitFun and causebox uses like cruelty-free products, organic products, products that are made from the benefit other I think the last one that I read, they were doing products for human trafficking. So they do a lot of things like that, which I really like. They make things that are, come from women working in another country. It's just a really nice cause. I really like FabFitFun. I will say this one, for me, didn't feel very fallish. It felt more summery, and I think that may just be because of the 3 items that I chose, and I think I left one because I didn't really care either way. And that might have just been my fault. So maybe the next box I get, I'm gonna have to tailor it just a little bit better. But I do like the boxes. I like the fact that they give you opportunity to try products that you may or may not have tried before. I know that in the past with FabFitFun, I have tried some makeup. I don't know how to pronounce it. Tresique. It's a lipstick pencil, and they've got other makeup, and that's my favorite lipstick. So, you know, there's a lot of benefit to these, and the fact that there's also subscriptions that you get, and there's travel sizes, which are great. I use those for when I travel, but I like that these are full size products. This is really cool. Other than that, I'm actually really happy with this one. I can't wait till I get my causebox so I could do a little my words are not with me today. Do a little trial run with that one and test that out and show everybody and do a little comparison to this one and that one. But I will go ahead and give you some more information about FabFitFun. I'll write down all the products, prices that they retail at, and more amazing information. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back very soon with some very exciting stuff about turmeric. I've got some gold up my sleeve with turmeric. I'm really excited. I've been obsessed with turmeric for a very long time. Anyways, have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.